Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. In my previous video, I had given the introduction to the trigonometry. In this video, I will explain you the values of trigonometry and I will also explain you about the complementary angles of trigonometry. Values of trigonometry. These are the angles 0, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. And these are the trigonometric ratios sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. So let us observe, look at the values of trigonometry. First, let us consider sin theta. Value of sin 0 will be equal to 0. As here is the 0, here also will be the 0. It is a trick to remember. The value of sin 30 will be equal to 1 by 2. Here you need to remember that value of sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. And coming to this value of sin 45. Sin 45, just you write 1 by 2 and you put a root to the 2. That is 1 by root 2. Now value of sin 60. Now you take this root upward to the numerator and instead of 2, of the after number of 2 is 3 and root 3 by 2. Now again you put the same 2 without root. And coming to the sin 90, it is very easy to remember, that is sin 90 is 1. So like this, with some tricks you can remember those values in very easy manner. Now coming to the cos values, if you just remember the sin values, then you will get the cos values in very easy manner. I will say how it is. Here sin 0 is 0, sin 30 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Now we have to reverse those values. Cos 0 will be equal to sin 90. Means all the cos values will be in this order. In the reverse values of sin theta are the correct values of cos theta. So cos 0 will be equal to sin last value is 90. Means from reverse let us write sin 90 equal to 1. Next is root 3 by 2. And next is 1 by root 2. And next is 1 by 2. And next 0. Here I just written the reverse values of sin theta, that is cos theta. So cos 0 will be equal to sin 90, cos 30 will be equal to sin 60, cos 45 will be equal to sin 45, cos 60 will be equal to sin 30 and cos 90 will be equal to sin 0. Just you remember the sin values, then reverse the sin values, then you will get the cos values. It is a easy trick to remember this. Coming to the tan values, tan 0 is very easy to remember, that is 0. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. In 30 there is digit number 3. So you write first 1 divided by digit number 3, then add a root. Then we will get the value of tan 30. Coming to the tan 45, it is also very easy to remember, that is 1. Tan 60 is equal to root 3 and tan 90 is undefined. So these are the tan values. And now let us see the reciprocal values. Reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. Reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta, that is sec theta. And reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. You just do division with 1, then we will get those reciprocal values. Cot theta, coming to the cot theta, we will get undefined. Why? Because 1 by 0 we have to do 1 by 0, as it is reciprocal of tan theta. 1 by 0 is undefined, so it is also undefined. And coming to here 1 by root 3, we have to reverse that, then we will get root 3. Here 1 by 1 will be equal to 1. Here 1 by root 3, here we will get. And here we will get 0. And coming to this sec values, sec 0 will be equal to 1. Now again cos 30 is root 3 by 2, then sec 30 will be 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Cos 45 1 by root 2, then here we will get root 2. Cos 60 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. cos 90 is 0 and here it is undefined. Now let us see the cosec value. 0 is reciprocal of 0 is undefined. So here let us write undefined. And cosec 30, sin 30 is 1 by 2, reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. And cosec 45, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. And cosec 60, root 3 by 2, reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Cosec 90, reciprocal of 1 will be equal to 1. So these are all the trigonometric values. It will be very difficult, but even included with the tricks, it will be so much difficult. You need to remember these values, then only we will get problems. Now let us do some problems on trigonometric values. First you need to remember those trigonometric values, then only you will get chapter trigonometry. You can also use some tricks like I used in remembering of values. So the first question is tan 30 into sin 30. So to solve this problem, first you need to remember the trigonometric values. The value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and into multiplied with value of sin theta is 1 by 2 and the answer will be 1 by 2 root 3. It's very simple. Trigonometric chapter is very simple if you remember those values. And we'll do one more problem. Sin 90 into tan 0. Sin 90, value of sin 90 is 1 multiplied with tan 0. Tan 0 is 0 and the answer is also 0. We got the problem. And one more problem. Cos 90 into sin 90. So first you need to know cos 90 value and sin 90 value. We know that value of sin 90 is equal to 1 and we also know that cos 90 value is 0. 0 into 1 will be 0. Then this answer also is 0. And now let us include the reciprocals in the question. Another problem. Sec is the reciprocal of cos sec 90 into cosec 60. So first you should not confuse sec 90. First, sec is the reciprocal of cos and cosec is the reciprocal of sin. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. Now first you need to think what is the value of cos 90. Value of cos 90 is equal to 0. Then sec 90 will be reciprocal of 0 is undefined. As here only we got the value as undefined, then the answer for this question also will be undefined. So let us move to the other problem. Sec 60 into cot 45. Sec is the reciprocal of cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 and sec 60 will be equal to 2. As the reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2, sec 60 is 2 into cot 45 is equal to 1 and the answer is 2. 2 ones 2. Now let us move to the topic of complementary angles. It is very most easy concept in the chapter trigonometry. In complementary angles, you remember the angle theta, which is very familiar to us. Theta is an angle, and if you want to remember easily, then you always remember 90 minus theta. You subtract the theta from 90. So it will become 90 minus theta. Just you remember this 90 minus theta. Based on this, I will give you some formulas. First we are having sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. These three are reciprocals of these ratios. These are the ratios and these are the reciprocals of these ratios. Now first coming to this sin theta. So if they will ask sin, the ratio which is next to the sin is cos. Then first you write the cos here. Why? Because after sin it is appearing cos. Then here you write cos. Now keep brackets. Cos of, I said to remember 90 minus theta. Here you write 90 minus theta. This is the formula, that is sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. And for cos, as sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta, if you remember this, you will get the formula of cos. You may get the question that how we can remember cos if we get the sin. Just by transposing. You transpose the cos to here, sin to here. Then cos theta will be equal to sin theta. Sin of, remember, I said to remember 90 minus theta. In the formula of sin we are having cos, then in the formula of cos we will have sin. Like that, in reverse manner we have to remember. Sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Then cos theta will be equal to sin 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta I said you to remember before. Now coming to the tan theta. There is one more trick for tan theta. We know that the reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. Then you write cot, as the reciprocal of tan is cot, here you must write cot of 90 minus theta I said to remember, which is as usual. Then tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta. So now let us see cot. As tan equal to cot, reciprocal of cot theta is tan theta. Then here you write tan, which is reverse. Tan of, I said to remember, 90 minus theta. This is the formula of cot theta. And remaining two, we have to include sec theta in the formula of cosec theta. And we have to include cosec theta, cosec in the formula of sec. Which is very easy. Here there is one more trick. Here in this both sec is the common. In cosec we are having sec and in sec we are having sec. Which is very common. Which is a nice trick to remember. So cosec theta will be equal to sec of 90 minus theta. And sec theta equal to reverse cosec of 90 minus theta. These are the complementary angle formulas. Now based on these formulas, let us check the problems. Tan 36 by cot 54. You may get so much confused by seeing this problem. But if you remember the formulas of complementary angles I had said you before, then you can easily solve this problem. Tan 36. Formula of tan theta. Here theta is equal to 36. We have to assume theta equal to 36. In the case of tan 36 degrees, theta equal to 36 degrees. Then tan theta equal to cot of 90 minus theta. So here you must write cot of 90 minus 36. 90 minus theta, but here we assumed theta as 36. Then we have, in place of theta, we have to write 36. 90 degrees minus 36 degrees divided by cot 54. Cot is as it is. So in this both numerator and denominator, we have to change one ratio into complementary angle. Only one ratio we have to change into complementary angle. If we change both, then again cot by tan, again we will get the question but not the answer. So any one you have to change. You can either change cot 54, either change tan 36. Any one you must change, then only you will get the answer. If you change 2, then we will get again the answer as tan 36 by cot 54, which is the question given. So we have to take exactly as we changed one, cot of 54 exactly. So 90 minus 36 is equal to 54, cot as it is of 54 by cot 54 as it is. Cot 54 and cot 54 gets cancelled and the answer will be equal to 1. It is very easy. Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. So cos 12, any one we have to change, I had said you before. So I will change cos 12. Here theta equal to 12. Cos theta equal to sine of 90 minus theta. Cos, in the place of cos we will write sine of 90 minus not theta. We have assumed theta as 12 degrees. So 12 degrees minus sine 78 degrees as it is, copy from the question. So sine 90 minus 12 will be equal to sine 90 minus 12 is 78 minus sine 78. Sine 78 minus sine 78 will be equal to 0. This is the answer. If you remember those formulas, then I hope you like this video. Actually, I plan to do 4 videos on trigonometry chapter. In the first video, I had already uploaded about introduction of trigonometry. In the second video, I had explained about the trigonometric values and complementary angles. In the next video and in the further video, I will explain you about the trigonometric identities. And in the last video, many of them will fear about the proof problems in trigonometry. So I will clear all the problems in the last video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.